Hey, this is Tom, CEO and co-founder at BuddyBoss, and today I am here to give you some updates on what's happening at BuddyBoss. And before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you're always up to date with what's happening at BuddyBoss. Just 3 weeks ago, we launched a new BuddyBoss app, and the response was just incredible. The excitement and enthusiasm we've seen for the product and all the feedbacks and comments we've received from you guys have been such a pleasure to read. This has made us even more excited and motivated to work even harder so we can make the BuddyBoss app the best it can be. And the BuddyBoss mobile team is already working on making enhancements and adding new features based on some of the feedback we've received over the last couple weeks. The team is super excited and we can't wait to help you put your BuddyBoss powered native mobile app into the hands of your members or students. The team is working super hard on preparing everything that is needed for a smooth product release between the months of January and February. And I do have to say that we now have limited spots available for the January-February onboarding and will soon be closing orders for this period. At BuddyBoss, we care deeply about the customer experience we provide, and to ensure that we can provide the best experience to our new BuddyBoss app customers, we are limiting the number of customers that we'll be onboarding when we first release the product between the months of January and February. So if launching a native mobile app to your audience is important to you, and you do not want to wait until the next release period of March, April to get your hands on the new BuddyBoss app plugin and mobile app, then get your BuddyBoss app now while we still have early access spots remaining. And on the BuddyBoss platform and theme, we recently added support for Lifter LMS on the Elementor widgets we've previously created for LearnDash. So if you use Lifter LMS with your BuddyBoss theme and platform, you can now create custom Elementor pages and incorporate the new Lifter LMS widgets. You can also take advantage of the BuddyBoss member dashboard to enhance your learners' user experience. And aside from the many ongoing improvements to the platform and theme, the BuddyBoss web product team is currently working on some major features for the BuddyBoss platform and theme that will be released over the coming weeks and before the BuddyBoss app release. We're building our own video system in the media component, which will support uploading raw video files into the activity feed, groups, messages, forum replies, and documents. The uploaded video files will be compressed and then viewable as playable videos. We're building a new component for blocking and reporting. Members can block other members to stop seeing any of their content. Members can also report inappropriate content to be auto-hidden and then moderated by an administrator. We're adding the ability to set the activity feed to only show posts that are relevant to you. So you can see posts from your connections, members you're following, forums you're subscribed to, and groups you're a member of. This will be particularly useful in large online communities. And we're building an advanced member access control system which will allow you to configure which social interactions members are able to access. We've also made a ton of progress on integrating webinar support for Zoom, and that is getting very close to being released. I'm excited to see all these features get released. These will definitely improve the experience of your members and help make the BuddyBoss theme and platform an even more robust solution for online communities. At BuddyBoss, we're currently working on expanding and getting our team more structured and organized to allow for faster and more robust development cycles and processes, and to allow us to continue to improve on the quality of the customer experience we provide. You can check out the jobs we're currently hiring for at buddyboss.com/careers. And I do want to highlight one of those positions, as I believe there's a good chance that we may have potential candidates that are a good fit for this position within our audience, and that is our Customer Success Manager position. We're looking to hire a customer-focused, highly energetic individual to join our team as a Customer Success Manager, and who will be responsible for onboarding and enabling our large number of customers on the web and app platforms. This role will act as an advisor for our web and mobile offerings, as well as our done-for-you services, and will have a variety of customer-facing engagements to help our customers hurdle the challenges preventing them from getting the maximum value out of the products we provide. If you're interested in joining the BuddyBoss team and believe that this position is the right fit for your skill set, make sure you check out the full job description and send in your application. We're looking to hire for this position immediately. So that's it for the BuddyBoss November update. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to grab your BuddyBoss app while we still have spots remaining for the early access. And keep in mind that the limited early bird discount is also ending soon. So if you're looking to have a mobile app for your online community, membership, or online courses program, then you'll want to permanently lock in the current pricing before it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.